In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix blank YouTube homepage. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. An entirely blank YouTube homepage where you can only see the search bar and side menu but zero recommended videos is almost always caused by a deliberate platform update, and YouTube hides homepage recommendations if you have your watch history turned off or paused, forcing a blank feed to prompt you to re-enable tracking. So turning your watch history back on gives YouTube's recommendation engine the data strings it needs to instantly rebuild your homepage feed and grid. So what you want to go ahead and do is open up your YouTube application. Then go over to the bottom right and go ahead and click over settings. And then once you're in settings, you want to go over and press manage all history. Then select the controls tab layer at the very top of the screen. It's going to be the second tab if you're on mobile. Then locate the YouTube history section block and click on the turn on button. As you can see, mine is currently turned on. Then just confirm the pop-up activation prompt and go back to your YouTube homepage and pull down to refresh the screen layout, and your personalized video feed will instantly populate. If that doesn't work, however, what you need to do is go over to your settings application, go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Once you're here, go ahead and find YouTube. And then we want to clear the cache if you're on Android, or offload the app if you're on YouTube. Once you offload the app, reinstall it, and then it should be working fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.